Renovating your dream home? Home renovation should be a rewarding experience. Don't let it be a stressful one. A common mistake in renovation projects is for interior designers to focus on the aesthetic appeal of their designs while neglecting the selection of waterproofing and tiling materials and proper installation methods by their contractors. This increases the risk of poor workmanship and water leakages after bathroom renovations, resulting in disputes with your contractors and inconveniences for your neighbors and yourself. According to the Consumer Association of Singapore, complaints in the renovation sector have been increasing rapidly in the past decade. It is now ranked as the top 10 most complained industry, with many complaints coming from bathroom renovations. This is why choosing the right renovation contractor with careful material selection and proper installation systems is the key to the success of your renovations. DAF Co is a global brand that is renowned for waterproofing and tile adhesives products. We are an established manufacturer with more than 30 years' experience supplying to the local market. All our products are manufactured in our Singapore factory, which undergoes stringent quality checks before delivery. For the convenience of our customers, DAF Co's wide range of building materials are easily available throughout our Davco Red Flag Stores around the island. DAF Co's recommended waterproofing and tile adhesives products enhances the integrity and durability of your renovated bathrooms. We are the first manufacturer in the renovation industry to provide a 3-year warranty for our bathroom renovation system brought through Davco Red Flag Stores. How does DAF Co exclusive Red Flag Store warranty work? Make sure that your ID purchases the recommended DAF Co materials from our Red Flag stores and request for the DAF Co warranty before commencing the renovation. Our Red Flag store partners will submit the proof of purchase to our DAF Co team. Upon site verification by our technical personnel on the recommended installation process, you will receive DAF Co's Red Flag Store exclusive warranty. This product warranty covers your bathroom, kitchen, and living room, essentially your entire home. Remember, these warranties are exclusive to only our DAF Co Red Flag stores. DAF Co can also recommend IDs who are reliable, competent, and experienced in the DAF Co system. Simply look out for our DAF Co accreditation decal when you're shopping around for your home renovation. Don't let your renovation turn into a nightmare. Always use the best building materials, best installation methods, and get DAF Co's exclusive Red Flag Store warranty from your IDs for your peace of mind. Check out DAF Co system recommendations on our YouTube channel. You can also learn more about our products through DAF Co website or follow our Facebook and Instagram for tips on home renovations and product usage. DAF Co.